Hey friends, thank you for coming back to my channel. Really appreciate you guys coming back. As you know, I do other channels. I have my gaming channel. And for those that keep coming back to watch my videos, either on Facebook or on YouTube, I really appreciate you guys for following me. I did want to stop in here just to share this moment with you guys. You know, my pod's been giving out strawberries like crazy. Sometimes a handful, sometimes one or two here and there. So I just want to take tonight to just be thankful and thank God for all the wonderful things He's done in my life, for looking after me health-wise, financially, my family. I mean, so many things that I see and things that I don't. I just wanted to be thankful. And also I wanted to ask for those that do not have food, for all the children and people in the world that don't have any food and go hungry. You know, I think of that every single day that I eat. And yeah, and for those that don't have God in their life, I wish you guys did. It's a blessing to have God in your life. And anyways, just wanted to say thank you guys for stopping in. There is a blessing in being thankful. Alright guys, I'm going to let you guys enjoy this video. I just wanted to share this moment with you guys. It is July 24th, 2020. And we still have the stay at home order. And yeah, it's pretty much like 8 p.m. right now. And I'm out here in the garden picking out my strawberries before they go bad. And God did say, be fruitful and multiply. And yes, that includes the strawberries. Alright folks, thank you guys for stopping in, and don't forget to give this video a like, and if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Appreciate you guys. Have a good night.